Hi, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. I'm Kimberly Wolf, and I'm the co-founder and deputy ED of Girl Up Initiative Uganda. And I'm here together with my co-founder and executive director, Monica Niraguhabwa in Uganda. So we're going to talk about Girl Up Initiative Uganda and our story. Our story is one of hope, resilience, and determination. And it all starts with Monica's story.
My story is a story of resilience, hope, and determination, just like Kimberly has mentioned. It's a story of growing up in the urban slums of Kampala, being denied an education, however, struggling in school to ensure that I keep in school, to make sure that my dreams are valid as a girl. Having grown up, I always felt that a girl was left behind. And because of this became the founding story of other girls in Girl Up Initiative Uganda. Girl Up Initiative Uganda looks at the individual stories of girls who have been left behind, girls who have been forgotten, girls where their cultures do not appreciate and recognize them. So the story of Girl Up is a story of giving hope, resilience, and determination to adolescent girls that they can use education to change their narrative, to change their stories, to give them hope for a better future.
In 2012, I met Monica when I was in Uganda, and I was blown away by her determination and her passion for young girls, which I shared myself, to see that girls can have a different future than they have now. So why we care, especially for me coming from the US, is that this is a global problem, and it's even highlighted more in Uganda, where everything is stacked against a girl. 40% of girls are already married by the age of 18, and 35% have already given birth by the age of 18. In addition to that, the cases of domestic and sexual violence are very large in Uganda. 56% of women have experienced violence in their lifetime. And at the same time, Uganda is a country that is marked by poverty. 42% of Ugandans are living below the poverty line. So combined, this creates a lot of challenges for young girls growing up in Uganda. So Girl Up Initiative Uganda was founded by Monica and myself to build a vibrant movement of girls and young women using a holistic community approach. So when we started with the girls and the young women, and we very quickly learned that you can't work with women and girls in isolation. There's a whole community environment around them that need to support and encourage girls to reach for their dreams and find their potentials. So in our programs, we work together with teachers, parents, boys, local leaders, male leaders in the community, and others to help build a vibrant movement of girls. So we have 4 programs that we use to work in our holistic approach. So the first program is the Adolescent Girls Program. This is our flagship program where girls learn about leadership and mentorship, sexual and reproductive health, skills development, and advocacy. It's an in-school program for girls that are aged 9 to 15 years old so that we address the root causes of gender inequality from a young age. And to complement that program, in schools, we also have the Boy Champions Project. And this was something that came from the boys themselves. When we would go to schools, the boys would yell, boy up, so you could see that they were also interested in having a program for themselves. In the Boy Champions Project, it focuses on gender equality and having the boys be advocates for girls' equality in education. They also learn about sexual and reproductive health and ending gender-based violence. We also have the Nia to Youth program, which is a program for out-of-school youth in the community. It's very important that beyond the in-school program, we reach children who are out of school. In this program, we focus on sexual and reproductive health, ending gender-based violence, working with local leaders and health systems, and using different methods that are very fun and engaging for young people. So for instance, in this photo, it's a drama group entertainment that they do in the communities to reach out to everyone there with different messages. And our last program is the Missouri Designs Hub. And this was designed to acknowledge the economic disempowerment of young women in our communities. We work in urban slum communities with the most vulnerable young women. So we decided to start this program as a way to offer vocational and business skill training and to promote personal and economic empowerment for young women.
Looking at our holistic approach, we've been able to register so many successes, and we get to these successes by girls sharing their stories. The story today we are looking at is of Fortunate, a 15-year-old girl who interacted with the program last year and benefited from it. Having gone through the program, Fortunate contested for a leadership position in our school and won. Fortunate has become one of our biggest rising stars that we are seeing her appear in global magazines and editorials. We believe that Fortunate's life changed as a result of the Adolescent Girls program, that she was able to use her skills, gained her confidence, and speak for other girls. Fortunate today is a champion, just like other girls in the program are champions. The confidence that she learned is the confidence she's using to speak out and be able to speak for other girls as well in her community. To date, given our stories, we've had numerous impact. 130,000 plus lives have been impacted. 2,478 adolescent girls have graduated out of the Adolescent Girls program. We've had 245 young women graduate from the Missouri Designs Hub. And of course, we've had 67% of our Missouri girls increase their incomes. This work wouldn't have been possible without the support and collaboration of our partners such as Plan International Uganda, Women Strong, the Girls Opportunity Alliance, Sigo Family Foundation, Imago Day, and other partners. These partners have believed in our vision and worked with us to get us to this kind of impact today and moving forward.
This journey that we're on needs to continue. We have different areas of growth to support the young women and girls in our programs. Our goal is that by 2022, over 200,000 lives will be impacted by our organization. 6,000 girls will have graduated from our Adolescent Girls program. 365 young women will have graduated from Missouri Designs, and then 73% of those women will have increased their income thanks to our program. So what we're asking for now is to help us with our funding gap of $510,000. It's really critical that we get this funding so that we can continue to expand and grow our programs. We plan to expand to 16 new schools where we'd reach an additional 1,440 boys and 400 girls with our transformative learning, mentoring, and support. We would also have the funds to build a Girl Up Center of Excellence, which is our big dream that will allow us to better support our girls. It would also encourage more rural women to come for trainings because we would also be able to house them in the center for Missouri Designs. And it would also increase our international visibility so we could also host international researchers to learn about our holistic approach. In addition, $50,000 will allow us to open an online store and promote Missouri Designs internationally, increasing our revenue by 50% annually, and reaching an additional 425 young women and their families. And in terms of our operations, the support would help us hire 3 new employees, 2 in Uganda and 1 in the US, to help us sustain our growth. So thank you all so much for listening to us. We hope that you will join us on our exciting journey. Thank you.